Okay, let's finish practice test 2, section 5, number 16. In the figure, BD is tangent to circle A. That means point C just touches the circle there. Measure of angle ABD is 25 degrees. That's up there. And the area of the shaded region is 1/4 of the area of the circle. So that means it's 90 degrees. This angle is 90 degrees. Now remember, this triangle has a 25-degree angle, a 90-degree angle. Oops. So we could find this angle right here just by subtracting from 180. And then we could subtract from 180 again to find this angle over here. You also might remember that for any triangle, the exterior angle right here is equal to the sum of the two remote interior angles. So since this is 90 and this is 25, 90 plus 25 is 115 degrees. Number 17. We're told in the diagram that this is 15 across the bottom. This is 9 across here. And we're told that this is a length of 3. Right here, this is 3. And this is 3. So I think I'm going to redraw this a little bit. Let's call this 3. Try again. Okay, so this is 3. This is 3. This is 3. Let's call this the height of the little triangle. I'm going to call it h. And so this is 9 all the way across. I can find a formula for the area of each triangle now. So the area of the large triangle is 1/2 the base times its height. Now the altitude of the large triangle is h plus 6. And the small triangle has an area equal to 1/2 its base, which was 9. I erased it, but all the way across was 9, times its altitude, which is just h. And we're also told that the shaded region, that's all of this area is equal to 75. That should be the large area minus the small area. So 1/2 15 h plus 6 minus 1/2 9 h equals 75. We should be able to solve this equation for h. I think I will multiply everything by 2. So that's 15 halves times 2. That's just 15 times h plus 6. And then this will just be minus 9h. That'll be 150. I'm running out of room. So if after I distribute, we're going to have 15h minus 9h, which is 6h. 15 times 6 is 90. So I want to subtract 90 from both sides. That is what? 60. So h is 10. Altitude of the small triangle. Number 17. Number 18. Here we're going to drive a car. We have a fixed charge, which I think I'll call A. And then we have a charge for every 25 miles. I think I'll call that charge B. Okay, so what happens? We drive this car 50 miles, and we are charged $200. So we're going to have a fixed charge. 50 miles, we're going to have to pay B twice, and that equals 200. Now if we drive the car 200 miles, we're still going to have the fixed charge. 200 miles, that'd be 8 of these 25 miles. So that's 8B. We'll play B 8 times, and that equals 245. Now you might recognize this as just a system of equations. I'm going to subtract. As a matter of fact, I'm going to subtract up. 8B minus 2B is 6B. 245 minus 200 is 45. So B is 7.5. Now to wrap this up in 10 seconds, I don't think it's going to happen. But you can go back, substitute these back in, and you should get 320.